Hey guys, Desolator Magic here, or apparently Desolator Doorbell Reviews, secret third channel. I just got this in the mail today. It was either that or fix my crappy doorbells. All the buttons are broke when I bought this house, and I was just like, I don't want to fix that. And the doorbell fixture looks like it should be in an antique shop, so I thought, let's just go wireless. So, got this thing, it's got two remotes, so you just like stick that to the outside, and hopefully people know this is a doorbell. It kind of doesn't look like one. But I went on Amazon and just went for like, what's the cheapest one with above like a 4.5 rating, and there it is. So $22, got this on eBay because Amazon sucks. And the one review I kept reading is that some of the, I believe they even refer to them as ringtones, are a little weird. I don't know if people are just trolling or what, but I mean, this is super Chinese, and you can get some weird, we'll just say not properly licensed things from Chinese products. So I thought, okay, I'm not going to look up a YouTube video ahead of time. I'm not going to cheat. Let's just experience this together. And this is going to be a short video if they were wrong. So let's see. I believe that's, oh, that's volume, right? Okay. So, I mean, that's kind of silly, but like, I mean, whatever. Let's see. Okay, I mean, that's a doorbell, right? Oh, God. Okay, that's like, I think they do that at noon in the city next to me. The church bells or whatever. Oh. Really? And we're off to the races already. I don't even know what classical song that is. Okay, that's, I could see somebody just doing that to be like, oh, I'm wacky, zany, I'm a hipster, I have a doorbell that does that, but that's not too weird. Let's see. Well, now we're just back to like doorbells. Okay. 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 Yeah. I don't know, I think we hit the weird ones already. This is gonna be a short video. Well, now that's just like a fire alarm. I mean, that's like an old school metal bell from when I was in like second grade. It's kind of, boy, I don't know what the safety of that one. What? What? No, come on, that's just police. What? Okay, well that one's a little weird. I feel like somebody might run away. that almost sounds like an alarm went off. It actually kind of sounds like my alarm system. Okay. I mean, that's neat. That's modern. Some of these are pretty good. Wait a minute. I feel like I know what song this is. This is like Wake Up. Like, that's like an Android Wake Up song or something. I don't know. We're getting weird now. Okay. This is Canon in D. This is the wedding processional song. So, the second somebody rings your doorbell, you're getting married. Why? Who would do that? They've got to get weirder from here. They have to. No, come on. This is the whatever something, the grand old flag or whatever, I think, or, yeah, some old patriotic song. Well, that's gotta be open source or whatever, unlicensed, public domain. Really? What is this, Beethoven, I think? Oh, that's classy. You're at a classy house now. Okay. No, come on. No, you've got to be kidding me. This is like, hey, don't worry, I'm running to the door in a 1920s cartoon. What? Nobody would seriously set that as their ringtone. Come on. Oh, I don't even want to know what's that. I think there's like 32 of these. What? Why are there birds? Why are there suddenly birds? I don't know what that was. That's like you... Is this just the troll section? Wait a minute. It's just really crappy, low quality, not gonna fool anybody dogs barking. That is the fakest thing I've ever heard. bass to that at all. Wow. Okay. Oh, you woke up my chickens. What? The hell is this? I legit don't know what that is. It is some Chinese song or something, I don't know. It sounds like something they would play at the Chinese buffet. Okay.
Hello, welcome.
What? I do not get the context for this.
Are you? And please open the door.
Wait, what?
Hello? Are you? And please open the door.
Hi, you, and please open the door. What the hell is this now? I feel like I know this. Oh, yeah. This is some old country song, I think. Okay, well, that was weird. What? Alright, this is some weird, like, nightcore remix of some classical music. Well, she keeps going. Alright, okay. What? That's Merry Christmas. I should leave it on that just to troll people and leave it on 4. That's awesome. What are the odds it's either my birthday or their birthday? And how much would that freak somebody out? FedEx guy comes to my door, hits the doorbell to leave a package, boom, he starts hearing happy birthday. Why would you get that excited? This is so happy. Why? Oh, somebody's at the door. Woo! What? No. Oh boy, we gotta be getting close to the end there. Wait a minute. That's like an old 80s song, isn't it? This is so random. Okay. I don't know this one. Nice little melody there. Boy, that was kind of classy sounding. I might leave it on that one. Wait. Did I have it wrong before, or is this just Merry Christmas again? Wasn't that? I don't know. I got hit on the head really hard today in the basement. Clunked my head pretty good, so yeah. What? Why? Why would anyone include that? It sounds so Game Boy Color, too. It's so low quality. That is freaking weird, dude. What? Okay, now this is just like Phantasy Star 3. Or like Zelda or something. I don't know what the hell that was. Come on! Really? Come on! What? Is this the least one? No, it's not the least 100 seconds from DDR. Which isn't the real name of it. I don't know what that was. It was a nice piano piece, but why would that be on a doorbell? Why? Isn't this that one really crappy one-hit wonder 90s song? Graduation or whatever? I think it is. Why? This whole device is just one big why. What the heck is this? Boy, this is just like a random music generator. I feel like this is basically Spotify when you first register an account. This is like some weird like movie theme or something. People are going to be going nuts in the comments and I'm not getting what half these are, but Oh no, come on. Oh my god. This is Oh Susanna. Boy, you'd have to answer the door howdy. You'd have to. I can't wait to see what's next. I don't know, it just sounds like more Phantasy Star music. Good game, by the way, Sega Genesis. Alright, whatever. Yellow Rose of Texas. Nailing this quiz now. Why this is on a doorbell, I don't know, but... Oh my god. Sure, Pennsylvania Polka. Poker. Pennsylvania Polka, I believe is what that is. Yep. To be fair, this is Wisconsin. I might actually leave it on that. I might legit select that as it. I can't believe they put a polka on here. I don't know why. Is polka big in China? I don't know. Wait a minute, isn't that Mario 64? That has to be. That's one of the Mario 64 levels, I swear. Okay, now we're just getting weird. Okay, that's classical, but then again, so were a bunch of the Mario songs, kind of. This is like an old ballroom dance, or a waltz or something. Okay. Oh, I know this one. Dang, I'm really bad at naming this tune when it's this low quality and it's all coming out in about 800 hertz to 2000 kilohertz. Okay, I don't know what that was. What? Wait a minute. Oh, this is so familiar. It's not Ave Maria. Oh, that's gonna drive me nuts. I know which one that is. That's from some famous like musical or something. Okay. Sounds like something out of Aladdin. I don't know what that is, whatever. Come on! Nobody's gonna not associate that with Christmas. I mean, it was either Home Alone or it was like Jingle All the Way that had this. My gosh, okay. I thought they said it was 32. We gotta be like 50 into this. I don't know what that is. Alright. All I know is this is really hard to play on the piano. It's some kind of classical piece. What? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Really? I'll have to remember to change this next December. I'm gonna say more Phantasy Star 3 music. Generations of Doom, man. Cutscene. Okay, this is from, like, Carmen, the opera. I'm, like, 99% sure. What? And it's got that dude, Don whatever, and I must remember the Hey Arnold parody of it. There you go, you could have an opera every time somebody rings the doorbell. What's happening? We're back to, like, normal-ish. Oh, thank God. Okay. That's what I'm leaving it on. So this is by far the weirdest doorbell I have ever seen in my life. The best part is when somebody hits it, I notice this. It lights up. Look at that. That's nice. And for some reason, these take an A23 battery, whatever the hell that is. It's a 12-volt cell. That's weird. And it's about half the size of a AA, which is even weirder. So this is by far the weirdest product I've gotten this entire year from China, and that is saying something. So anyway, thanks for coming on this wonderful doorbell adventure with me. I'll see you guys next video.